Hello and welcome to this market strategy hub. In this episode, I'm going to explain when is the best time to buy option. So this is the chart. This is 5-minute time frame chart. So most option buyers lose money not because they are wrong, but because they entered at the wrong time. See, if they entered at the wrong time, at this time they will lose because most of the time market is sideways. Likewise here, if they enter at this level or at this level or at this level, market is in sideways. So most option buyer lose money this time. So when you buy option, price goes down, market move later, but your option is already dead. This is the main reason. So first best time to buy option is after 10 or 10:30, between 10:30 or 10. This is the best time to buy option. Why? Because morning is full of fake move and high premium. See, all these are fake moves. See, market open here, went down, went up again, rejection, then comes red candle again. All these are very fake move. So at this time, premium 2 is very high. So let market settle down, give a clear direction, and enter after 10:30 or 10. See, after this breaking this high, market is now clear. See, market is in uptrend, so you can enter from this level. So never enter as soon as the market open. Let market settle down. Let give time to market to give clear direction and then enter. See here, market open here, went up, rejection, went down again and close here. Next come the green candle. So don't enter as soon as the market open. Give market a time. Give a time. Let give you a direction. So it broke this zone, and then see, now market is very clear. Market is in downtrend, so you can enter from this level. So the best time to enter market is between 10 and 10:30 a.m. So, and second best time to enter is during breakout time. See, like I said, you can enter from this breakout. See, after making this high, market broke this level, that is this green candle. You can enter from this breakout candle, green breakout candle, or you can wait for pullback. See here, broke this low, so you can enter from this red candle, or you can enter at the pullback, that is at this pullback candle, either from this rejection candle, next rejection candle, or this pin bar, or this engulfing red candle. So second best time is to enter in market is at the breakout candle or at the pullback candle. And third best time is during low VIX or cheap premium. So if option price too high, avoid it. Buy when premium is still low. That is a third very important thing to consider when buying option. And fourth thing to remember is, like I said, buying option as soon as the market open. See, when the market is open, as soon as the market open, premium needs to be very high and there is no clear direction. So never enter as soon as the market open because of the high premium and there is no clear direction of the market. So stop buying as soon as the market open. And another important thing is, after market making big move, see, market already make big move, so don't enter after market making big move. Market has given very big move, so see, after that market became sideways. So if you buy option here, whether put or call, you will lose, because momentum is very important in option buy. So don't buy when market has given already big move. So the important lesson is timing matters more than direction. Avoid buying in sideways market. Don't buy at market open or high premium drop. Don't chase after big move. Buy only on clear breakout or breakdown. See, clear breakout here in this example, or here in this example, here in this example, here in this example. Breakout or breakdown. Time decay kills slow trade. First move is best move. So like I said, first move is the best move. Like in this case, it can be called this one is the best move. See, at the breakout, these are the best move. There is a momentum candle here. So this kind of trade is the best trade. Here, here. So first move is the best move. And most importantly, discipline is greater than prediction. So be disciplined. Discipline is very important. Right timing equal to higher profit probability. So timing, like I said, timing is very important. Timing, when to buy, at what time to buy, which breakout or pullback to buy. So timing is very important. So option buying is not about guessing the market direction. It's about entering at the right time. Follow for more real trading lessons, and thank you for watching.